Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session, I'm gonna show you how to capture a screen with a Selenium Python. And after that screen capture, we will open right away. So let's see. I'm taking a PyCharm here, and in this examples, I'm gonna create a new Python file. Let's say screen shot. Okay, and we need a couple of dependencies that we need to install. So to do that, we need to go to files, then go to settings. Then you have here project name. Under that project name, you have Python interpreter. Then you will go and see this Python interpreter and you click on this plus and then you will see available packages. Then you can type for pillow and this is a package that you need to install. So in my case, it is already installed. If it is not installed, you can install from here. So once it's done, we need to import Selenium, import WebDriver. Then we have to do one more import called PIL and import image. As we are working with image, right? So this will provide you a couple of methods like save screenshot and opening image. Let me give a reference called driver, then WebDriver dot Chrome, and I'm in the latest version, so I don't need to provide the executable path. I can simply call driver dot get. Under get statement, we're gonna provide HTTPS. Then I'm gonna simply provide one website URL, and after that I'm gonna simply take a screenshot. After as soon as I open the page, I will take a screen capture. So in your case, you can do it any point of time, like for an web element, after clicking you can perform this operation, or to any failure condition also you can refer to this. So I am simply calling driver dot save screenshot. So there's a save screenshot, and in this we're gonna provide a location of our image that we're gonna save. So I'm gonna simply provide in this project location that screenshot1 screenshot1 dot png. So there's a png type image that I'm capturing here. I'm gonna simply copy this. So after saving this screenshot, I can directly open from the execution. So for that I can use image. So image is a package that is from this PIL. So we have installed the package right below. So from that it will provide this methods and image dot open. And after that, what image that you are referring. So I can provide that image. So here, if you think that I have provided hard coded here, in your case, you can provide any strings, dynamic strings that is from your project location, or you can pass at one place and you can call here. And after that, I'm gonna simply say image dot show, right? So these are the lines that we need to provide. One is to launch the website. Another one is to capture the screen with an image type of PNG. Then after that, with the method image, we are going to open that and show. So let me quickly right click and execute. Right, it has captured now. You can see this is my photos folder. I mean photos application. It is opening the website screen and execution is done. So this is the simplest way to capture a screenshot and open right away. I hope this small session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.